So, how to create a stand-up collar. So as we've already discussed, we've lowered our neckline by 1.5 on the front and on the back. That's been lowered the 1.5 as well. Okay. So now you measure your neckline. So use your measuring tape because you need to measure the curve. So you're going to measure your neckline all around the curve, and that is 13.5. And the back is 8.5. So now you decide on the height of the collar that you want. You draw a straight line and draw a square. So this is the start of your collar. This here is going to be the length of your neckline. So you literally draw a rectangle which equates to the measurement of your centre back neck and your set on your front neck. So the centre back will have a seam. So you add your seam allowance. There's your seam allowance for your centre back. You know that your back neck measures 8.5. So you measure out 8.5 on that line and put in a notch to correspond with your shoulders. And then you know that your front neck measures 13.5. So you measure out 13.5. And this is going to be cut to the fold. The height of the collar, I think for you, Bobby, is about 2.5 inches. So you square out, you measure up 2.5 inches. And then measure up another 2.5 inches.
So Sean, you and I get completely. Well, what I'm trying to say is, for your average mortgage, you're not talking about.
And then you add your seam allowance. Now, it can make it easier if you actually do the full piece rather than having to cut this here on the fold. So I would actually recommend creating the full piece. Okay, so my piece of paper isn't big enough, but so basically copy this over here again because you're going to want to cut this particular pattern piece on the bias. Okay, which means that will be your straight of grain. So it's at a 45-degree angle to where it normally would be. So in other words, don't cut that on the fold. You're going to do that a full pattern piece the whole way. So measure out your 13.5 again, your 8.5, your 8.5. So you're doing a full pattern piece. Okay, I hope that makes sense.